How to fix Instagram camera not working. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram camera not working easy and fast. So all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to the settings on your phone and then search for the apps manager as you can see right here. Click on it and go to the apps in the top and then search for Instagram or between all your apps. Now here is it right here. Click on it and now go to the permissions right here, and right here on this page all what you have to do is make sure that the camera is enabled. If it is, now there is a problem in the storage, so all what you have to do is click on storage and clear data and clear cache, and everything must be doing good for you now. See you in the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for this video. See you later.